Hello. Today I'm going to be unboxing a bunch of new mystery Squish-A-Long products. These little boxes not only have 3 mystery Squish-A-Longs in them, but they actually also have a big Squish-A-Long clip, which you can put on your bag and use to carry around your Squish-A-Longs. There are 6 different squish clips to collect and 40 Squish-A-Longs in here. As you can see from my pile of boxes here, there are only 3 different boxes. And when I purchased these online, I thought the one you get on the front would be the one you get inside, but apparently it's not. It can be, but there are actually 2 variations for each box. Fingers crossed we get all 6 today. Now I did actually buy these online. I got these from Be Mine Collectibles. They're a fabulous website, would recommend. But if you're looking to get them in store, currently I don't know where you can get them from. I haven't seen them in any stores yet. Obviously, when you buy in store, you can pick which box you get. I had no choice in this. I just ordered 8 and this is what I got. The other thing that I'm very, very excited about is there are new Squish-A-Longs that haven't been out in Australia before. There's so many of my favorites. There's frogs, there's mushrooms, there's yetis, and I'm really hoping I will open a bunch of those ones up today. There are also some ones in this set that are out in Australia. They're out in these little capsules, but I haven't found them yet. I haven't opened them yet. Like the purple turtle and the tulip. I've opened loads and loads of these. I just haven't opened them. So hopefully they'll be in here or in here. So just as a little refresher, maybe not a refresher, maybe this is your first time seeing one of these. I've opened maybe 20 of these. They look like this. They come in a few different colors. You rip off the plastic and then when you open them up, they have 1 guide and 3 little packages. One of your 3 packages is always going to be a ring. And then you get your 2 mystery Squish-A-Longs. And then when you open them up, one open is, oh, a dragon! I don't have this one. It's a cute little purple dragon. Look at its little metallic wings. So beautiful. And second one is, oh my gosh, another one I don't have. It's a turtle. Oh my gosh, that is such a win because these 2 I didn't have and you can't even get them in here. Anyway, I wanted to open up one of the usual Squish-A-Long capsules to show you what I am used to. That's my normal mystery Squish-A-Long opening experience. But now we get the experience of opening up a whole box. Given that there are only 2 mushrooms, I'm going to save them for later. The first one I'm going to open up is a dog. Oh my gosh, it's green when we open it up. Okay, it's the same dog as on the box. It has this Squishmallow shaped clip that the new clips have. I love it. I think it's so much easier to clip than the old ones and the shape is just obviously so much cuter. Then here is our dog. So it's colorful, this one. Then there is a little sparkle outline going around him. And then if you look closely, you can see that the green plastic is actually sparkly too. And then we turn to the back. The back is transparent, looking like the same stuff as this. Okay, how easy are these going to be to open? Oh my goodness, there is little Squishmallow art. Let me tell you this. It's okay, I got them all. The little Squishmallow art makes me so happy. This one is Maritza and Avery in the desert. I did just completely break it. I'm hoping they're easy to put back together. They are, so if you break it, don't stress, you can just click it back together. Then we've got 3 little packets. First one is, I can't even see because I'm trying to show it to the camera. Oh my gosh, it's sushi! First one is a brand new one. First one is one of the foods. It's sushi with some sushi fish tied behind it. Very cute. And it came on this red ring. That's kind of cool that they show you how it works on these ones because if I was a kid, I don't think I'd get it. It's black and it is, oh, I don't have this dog. We're doing so well for new ones. This is a cute dog with black fluffy ears. Very nice, new one to the collection. Then the last one from Charlie is, oh, I have this one. I feel like I might even actually have 2 of this one. Let's open a Bubba box next. Now, I believe this can be either a Bubba capsule or someone else. The box looking, oh, it's purple, cute. Oh, okay, so it's Patty, it's the other cow. Very similar to Charlie. It's got the print, it's got sparkles around it, and it has a purple clip up here. Oh my god! This was made for me. It has a corgi in it. There's a corgi and a blobfish in the ocean. The corgi is searching, the blobfish is swimming, the blobfish has goggles on. Oh, that's a snorkel? That's even funnier. He's a fish wearing a snorkel. I'm obsessed. I want to get like little postcards of these to stick on my wall. So once again, I can feel this one has a ring. The mystery Squish-A-Long is, oh my gosh, is it the Yeti? Oh, no, but it is the frog. I really wanted the frog. Little Kendra the fox. She's got a little tail on the back and she is sat on a pink ring. She is so adorable. First mystery one. Oh my gosh, it's the grape. We are doing so well today. I already got so many new ones. I love the grape. She's so cute. And the last one from Patty is a Ronnie. I already have Ronnie. So now I'm gonna open up the mushroom. I only have 2 of the mushroom. Hopefully I've got 2 different ones. We are looking at pink and it is Sydney. Here is our little green mushroom friend. The art inside, oh my goodness. It's actually Malcolm the mushroom inside. He is toasting a marshmallow. He's with Benny. They're out camping. There's a sunset or a sunrise. Beautiful. Okay, the Squish-A-Long on the ring is... oh, it's another beetle. Okay, it's Axel. I do already have Axel, but Axel is one of my favorite Squishmallows, so I'm really happy to have a second Axel. I really want to make him into a necklace so I can wear him around. Then the second one, oh my gosh, I see green. I see green. Is it Gloria? Oh, it's Gloria the frog. I can't wait to put her next to Wendy. She's so cute. I'm so happy to have another frog. Wait, this is actually my 3rd frog because I have a blue one as well. Last one from Sitting the Mushroom. We've done so well with our first 2. Oh my gosh, it's Malcolm the mushroom himself. Oh my goodness. Look how cute Malcolm is. My first mushroom Squish-A-Long and I'm just really appreciating the little mush bit and how it sticks out from the rest of the Squish-A-Long. Oh, these are so cute. I need a whole army of mushrooms. That was a 10 out of 10 capsule. 3 brilliant ones. Yes, one was a double, but it was a double that I wanted a double of. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the second mushroom and hope that we get the Malcolm case. We got Malcolm in it, but I do want the Malcolm case too. So that one was red. Open it up. Oh no, it's red too. Are both the mushrooms red? Or is it gonna be another Sydney? It's another Sydney. So I'll definitely be needing to find some more mushroom boxes. So we got Sydney again, exactly the same as the other one. Will the art be the same? Okay, yes, the art is exactly the same. If the Squish-A-Longs are the same too, I'm gonna be annoyed. Actually, I won't be. I would be pretty happy if I got more doubles of those. Well, I guess I could make beetle earrings now if I wanted to. Given these are exactly the same, I'm gonna take a wild guess and say the other 2 are gonna be the same. Let's see if we can confirm the theory with these 2. First one is mushroom and Gloria. I'm not mad about having doubles of these, but let's hope all of these aren't the same as what I've already opened. Yeah, I'm gonna go through... maybe I'll go through the dogs first. Very much hoping to get a cat. When we look inside, the green one. Please be a cat. Please be a cat. Please be a cat. It's the dog again. Is this one gonna have the exact same ones as the other dog? Surely not. This is the ring. Oh no, it's a sushi again. Yes, the same. Another one of this one. Okay, this one is another green one. Please don't be Charlie. Please don't be Charlie. Oh my gosh, yes! Thank goodness. This is what Nathan looks like. He's looking very cute. Open him up and oh my gosh. I'll tell you, I am confused why like the Patty art isn't in the Patty capsule and the Malcolm art isn't in the Malcolm capsule. But anyway, it's cute art. It's Patty and Sunny out kayaking. So adorable. This is the one with the ring. Open it up and please don't be someone I already have. I cannot say it. We got a ring! I got the little jam jar! Oh my goodness, she's gorgeous. She's sparkly. It's little strawberry jam. I love the jam Squishmallow. She is so cute and so sparkly and rare. Thank you to Nathan the cat. Who else will be in there? Is this Nathan himself? Oh no, this is Gigi. I don't have her, so that's good. She's looking very cute. I like the Squish-A-Longs that have like a few more details. She's got lots of stripes and I like her little wink. She's got a little tail on the back too. Then last one from Nathan the cat is somebody green. It is... Fine! Finally! Oh my gosh, I have been waiting for so long to get her. This is Bridget the Tulip. She's so cute. Look at these like little grooves she has in here. Talk about a detailed squish-along. It's like a literal flower and she has little leaves. The leaves are like 3D and then all of this is 3D and there's a gradient. This is one of my favorite squish-alongs ever. Look how cute this is. Well, this was a fabulous capsule. Now we have 2 left. They've already got Patty. Hopefully one of these will be Bubba. This is Patty again. Please don't just be the same ones I got in the first Patty. These were the 3 from my first Patty capsule. Hopefully they'll be different ones. Surely all Patties can't have the exact same. That just doesn't make Oh, good, 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 good. This Patty has Geraldine. This actually isn't good because I already have this cat. These 2 should be different now too. I've got a horse. I don't have a horse, so that's good, I guess. It is this a possum? Better not be a possum. Oh, it's Connor. Oh, I don't have Connor. New Squish-A-Long. We are up to the last box of the day. Okay, is this gonna be a Bubba? And it is another Patty. Okay, so I'm still gonna need a Malcolm and a Bubba. That's alright. I can go hunting for those. There's a good chance this is gonna be ones that I've already got because I already got 2 Patties and 2 different sets of Squish-A-Longs in them. If one of them could be a rare, that would be nice. Alright, which set is it gonna be, or is it gonna be a secret 3rd set? That'd be good. And it is Geraldine, who we just opened. Another Cillian. And another horse. So I think that pretty safely concludes the theory. There are 2 possible sets you can get in each capsule. I found this very, very helpful guide from thegamesmen.com that shows you which Squish-A-Longs appear in which cases, so you know which boxes to buy for which Squish-A-Long. Like I can see that the purple turtle I want is in a Sydney capsule, which I already opened 2 Sydney capsules today. I can't believe I still don't have a purple turtle. It's okay, I'm gonna be opening more, and I got so many new ones today and so many that I absolutely love, so I'm happy. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you with some more Squish-A-Long content soon. Bye!